Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by signing in so you can act immediately. Open your phone's browser or the Xbox app and go to the Microsoft Account Services page. Sign in with the account that pays for Game Pass Ultimate. Once signed in, look for Xbox Game Pass Ultimate under Subscriptions. Make sure you're on the correct account. Incorrect accounts are the usual roadblock. Tap the subscription entry to reveal billing details and the Manage or Cancel option so you can proceed to the next step. You're now in the Manage area. This is where you stop recurring charges. Tap Manage, then Cancel Subscription. Read the prompts carefully. Microsoft may offer a retention deal or show your subscription end date. Those options matter if you want to keep benefits until renewal. If you accept cancellation, choose the reason if requested and confirm. Otherwise, use the Turn Off Recurring Billing choice to keep access until the prepaid period ends. Make sure to complete each confirmation so the request registers on your account. Finish by confirming the cancellation took effect. You should see a confirmation screen and receive an email summarizing the cancellation. Billing will show canceled or recurring billing off. If you don't see confirmation, make sure you use the paying Microsoft account. Sometimes people are signed into a different account. If problems persist, note the order ID and contact Microsoft support from the app or browser. One tip: force close and reopen the app, or check via desktop to resolve display glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.